iPhone mini 2020, guys. Check this out. This thing is so pretty. Look at how small this thing is. Okay, if I you know what, let's put it next to the 12 Pro Max and take a look to see what the 12 Pro Max and iPhone mini look like together. Okay guys, here we goes. This is beautiful. I mean, check out what Apple was able to do with the tech on this iPhone mini. I mean, it's got the 12 Pro internals on the inside, but it's smaller in footprint from the 12 Pro Max. Even in the box, I mean, the box is smaller than the 12 Pro Max. But anyways guys, let's open this bad boy and take a look to see what's inside it, and we're going to do first impressions. This is the most satisfying part of the whole video, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying. Okay, I love bringing this content to you guys, and I hope you enjoy. Oh my god, wow, check that out guys. The 12 mini, how beautiful is that? In all black. We have the matte black model here. This is the 256 gigabyte version. It's the way to be. It's the max gigabytes that you can get. It has the 2 cameras right here, guys. It has the flash on the back, little mic right there, really nice. This does not come with a LiDAR detector, guys, so if you guys want that, you're gonna have to go with the Pro or the Pro Max. That's what it comes with. Alright, so that is what it is. So there is no option with that. Now let's take a look. We'll put that on the side and take a look to see what's inside the box. We get, let's see, we get the SIM ejector tool, and we do have the Apple sticker. If I'm a brand new person to iPhone and I don't get a charger with it, I would be very unhappy with this thing. Okay, I mean, we do get this cable, which is a USB-C to Lightning, which is a plus. Okay, but it's not backwards compatible because all of your old chargers are going to be Lightning to USB, and now you can't use those anymore. So you're gonna have to get a brick for this. Okay, so you're spending another 20 to 30 bucks on something like this, or you will end up getting the MagSafe. Okay, that is a new charger. Okay, and those cases in the back that you guys see are also MagSafe charger compatible. Wow, look at this phone, guys. How beautiful is that? It is truly mini. I have pretty decent sized hands, but they're not super big. Okay, and this feels small in my hand. I want you guys to know it really truly is a mini phone in 2020. Okay, this really is a 2021 phone because 2020 is almost gone, guys. Don't forget. Okay, I know it's the end of the year of release. I feel like this is a 2021 phone. This is gonna last for years to come. Look at that matte black, guys. Oh my god, I wish they had in the 12 Pro Max, because I would definitely get the all black if it looked like this. Okay, the all black in the 12 Pro Max does have the shiny metallic look all around. I would prefer this with the matte black everything look. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay, you have the antenna bands all around it. Okay, like the reminiscent of the 5S and the SE original. You have the volume rocker up and down on that side, and then on the right side we do have the 5G capability. Okay, that is the antenna band for the 5G right there, and we have the turn on and off button right there. Okay, just keep that in mind. We do have the 4G and the 5G capability on this phone. For those of you that do live in areas where you can use 5G, this will be good to go. I have honestly used the 5G, and I am really surprised to tell you guys this. It's faster than my Wi-Fi at home. Okay, it's a lot faster, not just a little bit faster. Everything downloads super fast. There is no comparison. I would say if I were to gauge on how fast it is, it's at least 70 to 50% faster than my Wi-Fi, which is amazing. Let's turn this bad boy on and we'll take a look what the screen looks like. Hello, welcome. So this is what the screen looks like, guys. It does have that notch on the top, but it is a really nice phone. The screen to body ratio is really good, so you're not going to have an issue with it. Okay, here we go. We got this set up. The apps are still downloading in the back, but this is what the phone looks like, guys, in hand. And I really feel like it is a perfect phone for somebody that was looking for a small phone. Now, if I was James Bond, this would be the phone that I would get, or if I was a spy. Look at how small it is. It's a perfect phone for somebody that's like a super agent, because think about it, guys. This phone is super small, but it packs in the tech of 2020, guys. It's got the best tech ever. Honestly, you can't go wrong with this phone. Now let's talk battery life. It does have a small screen, so it's gonna have okay battery life, but definitely not as good as a Pro Max or a Pro. So just keep that in mind if you're a power user, or if you like watching Netflix and such. On this phone, it's not going to be as good. The screen is going to be smaller, so if you watch a lot of content, this may not be the phone for you guys, just to keep in mind. Now here is the product red case. This is a leather case, and it's a MagSafe case, as you guys can see by that ring. Anytime you put in a MagSafe case, whatever color the case is, it actually shows up on the screen. Okay, so it tells you what kind of case you have on there. Okay, that's really nice. This leather case is super sturdy, really nice. Check out that black and red combination. What do you guys think? Do you guys like that? That's actually one of my favorite combinations, black and red. You can't go wrong with black and red at all. It is the one to go with, unless you go with something like an all black case on an all black phone, which we're going to show you pretty soon. Okay, but I like this look. I could rock this all day, every day. Okay, if you're going out, this is like the perfect look for maybe a nice get together, or meeting up with some friends. I know it's a pandemic, but just, you know, thinking about it makes you feel good. Okay, the way it used to be, you know, you used to be able to go out. This would be a perfect phone to be able to go out with. Okay, anyways, something to think about. What do you guys think about this case? If you guys like this case, leave me a comment down below if that's a good fit for this phone or not, or we can try maybe a different case. Maybe let's try the all black case with the all black phone. I have the two cases here. We'll try that out. Okay, I really want to show you something real quick. Before we do that, I want to show you guys what the iPhone 12 Pro looks like right next to it. Check this out, guys. Look at how small this phone is. Okay, it fits inside the 12 Pro Max. This is unheard of, guys. And you know what? Basically, it's exactly as fast as the 12 Pro Max. There's no difference really. You're not going to be able to tell the difference between the two on a day-to-day basis. They both have, none of them have the 120 hertz display, by the way. Maybe next year's we're going to get that. But here's what the screens look like, guys. You guys can see they are the same screens. There is no difference in the actual megapixel size, so you're going to get the same exact quality, just one is bigger than the other. Okay, they're both just super bright, super XDR displays. These are the new displays. Okay, so what do you guys think? If you guys were to choose one out of the two, which one would you guys go for? Would you guys go for the iPhone mini, or would you go for the Pro Max? And leave me a comment down below and let me know. And why would you do it? That's important to know. I would like to know why you would switch over to the Pro Max, or would you go with the mini? But you know, in my opinion, I definitely would go with the Pro Max, just because I watch a lot of content on my phone as I'm going. You know, I'm always traveling here and there, so I would like a bigger phone, so that way I don't have to carry my iPad Pro. I have a 12.9-inch iPad Pro. I just don't want to carry that everywhere. Just something to keep in mind, guys. Okay, when you are guys going to be choosing between the two, but they are both good phones. Okay, one does have a matte black finish, which is the 12 Pro Max. The one on the right, it has a shiny finish. Sides on the 12 Pro Max are super slick, super shiny. And the side on the 12 mini is very stealthy and super dark. You're not going to get too many fingerprints on the sides, but on the back you will get fingerprints. It's a fingerprint magnet on the back for sure. Now let's try the black on black with the black leather case. These are all Apple leather cases. They are $69.99, guys. Okay, so keep that in mind. It's not a cheap phone case, but it does work as a MagSafe case. Let's clean this bad boy up before you put it in there. Okay, we want to make this look pretty. So they are expensive cases, guys. And on top of that, if you want to use a MagSafe, you're gonna have to buy that charger separately. I have done a review for that, guys. I will leave a link for you on the top somewhere. You guys can click on that if you guys want to check out that video. And here we go. Check this out, guys. Wow, this is super stealthy, guys. This is a businessman's phone right here. Okay, black on black. Okay, hello, yes, transfer my millions into the offshore account. Okay, I got this covered. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. James Bond. Okay, this here is a jewel that you guys are hiding or unhiding because it's super stealthy. I like it. I love this. Okay, honestly, all right, if I were to choose between the two, I really like the red one, but honestly I would go with the all black case on the all black phone, just because it's super James Bond like, you know, it's stealth. I love anything stealthy. I go with everything black. I have a black Jeep with black tires on it. I love that thing, and the black rims. Can't go wrong with all black everything, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked this video, and if you got any value from this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me for future videos. Thank you all the believers in believing in me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.